Is your Land Rover Discovery Sport's alarm going off randomly? It's a common issue, often linked to the interior motion sensor, bonnet switch, or battery. The alarm system uses sensors monitored by the Body Control Module, or BCM. First, consider recent software updates. Land Rover released a firmware patch around mid-2024 addressing sensor calibration bugs. If not eligible, proceed to diagnosis. Interior motion sensors can trigger falsely due to vibrations or temperature changes. Bonnet switches are prone to corrosion or misalignment. Low battery voltage below 12.4 volts can also activate the alarm. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes and assess battery health. Rule out simple causes like a loose bonnet before diving deeper. For interior motion sensor issues, start by recalibrating the sensor through the vehicle's infotainment system. If that doesn't work, clean the sensor connections to remove dust or debris. As a last resort, the sensor module may need replacement, costing around $150 at a dealership. For a faulty bonnet switch, begin by cleaning and realigning it to ensure proper contact. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, replace the switch, which typically costs around $50. Battery-related alarm issues often stem from weak batteries, which can mimic low-power signals. Replace the battery and perform a BCM reset to resolve this. While DIY fixes may be tempting, consult professionals to prevent damage to the BCM from improper resets. Check for the NSA Recall ID 25001 covering 2017 to 2023 models for bonnet switch issues. After the recall fix, many owners experienced a significant reduction in false alarms. Always opt for certified dealers to ensure proper integration and avoid complications.